Chinese Panda gold coins are a strong option for you to build up an international portfolio. They are minted by the China Gold Coin Group. The obverse features the Temple of Heaven, which is a complex of imperial religious buildings and a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Beijing. The text translates to the People's Republic of China and the date of issue. The reverse features the Panda, with the designs being updated regularly. For example, in 2022, to commemorate the Winter Olympics in China, the coin featured 2 pandas sliding down a snowy hillside. The 2024 issue showed a parent panda sitting with its cub, looking at each other. This approach to refreshing the designs creates a significant demand for the Chinese Panda and enhances the growth potential as people look to collect the different designs. Direct Bullion has successfully delivered tens of thousands of orders worth hundreds of millions of pounds to thousands of delighted clients. This popularity is due to the fact that we're the only bullion dealer to deliver all 4 requirements that clients want. Firstly, we're independently rated the UK's #1 by the prestigious Bullion Directory and have won numerous awards for excellent customer service. Secondly, every order you make will be sent to you fully insured door to door for 100% peace of mind. Thirdly, you get unlimited access to specialists who are just a phone call away. They will guide you through the process and answer any questions you have. Finally, you'll receive bespoke updates on how your gold is performing and how it's grown over time, and market information so that you're always up to date. It's little wonder that we are recognised as one of Europe's fastest growing companies and one of the top 100 fastest growing companies within the UK. To protect and grow your wealth with gold, please call us on 0800 055 7050 or 0207 058 4653. Alternatively, please visit www.directbullion.com.